Hi guys, nakapagsilog meals na po ba ang lahat ng GFH Street Restaurant? Guys, please do try the silog meals of your GFH Street Restaurant here in Ajman. We have tap silog, daing silog, long silog, chick silog, siomay silog, Shanghai silog, corn silog, tinapa silog, and king silog guys. You can do request guys what egg you want, scrambled egg, medium rare, or yung malasado or scrambled egg guys. Once again guys, once you order your food, that's the time only we cook and prepare your food. So you can guarantee your food have good quality and safety food for your happiness and satisfaction. Good food, good mood. Everyday fresh. Quality goods. So guys, kung gusto nyo magpa-deliver ng favorite silog meals nyo sa GFH Street Restaurant, ang link ng delivery service namin guys, nasa comment section na guys. Please click this one and automatically you will find your GFH Street Restaurant. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube guys. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Thank you guys. Let's go.
I wanna see you right like Rihanna. Get all up on the come diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. Bitch, I need